Clear the way and conquer the cold with Scelzi Enterprises. Here are some key features of an SBD 10894-4938VO with a snowplow attachment. Up front is a Sno-Way Model 29HD Series 2 snowplow. The in-cab remote operation makes it easy to pivot the hydraulic-driven 7.5-foot wide blade. This service body is equipped with a Scelzi standard 2x3 rectangle tube ladder rack. Scelzi ladder racks are a bolt-on design. They are forklift accessible and are powder-coated for a durable, long-lasting shine. At the rear of this service body are two 6-inch step bumperettes. They are constructed of a 7-gauge bumper rail with a 12-gauge steel diamond plate overlay. Included are clearance and backup lights. Easily load and unload heavy cargo with a Maxon Liftgate. The C254-1342T P27 comes with a 27-inch steel diamond plate floor plus 4-inch ramp. It is hydraulic driven and rated for 1,300 pounds. Scelzi service bodies utilize gas shocks on all vertical doors. All doors and compartment edges are wrapped with a neoprene seal. This will stop chafing and creates a watertight seal. Scelzi offers fast turnaround times. This 12-truck order was ready between 3 and 4 weeks. Timeframes can vary, so speak with the sales representative for specific details.